presented by Your Energy Answers.
Hi, I'm Markus Lambert and I've been in the solar industry since 2005. Since that time, I've been involved in the sales of over 1 million solar panels. But not just any solar panels, only the best, being SunPower in the early days with Energy Matters and later with LG as the general manager of LG Solar. So I can tell you what makes a great solar panel. When it comes to solar panels at Intersolar 2023 in Germany, it was the Aiko panel that was crowned the most innovative solar panel, and it was an ABC panel. So Aiko right now is getting attention because there's a company that's not only getting the tech smarts and winning the efficiency race, but they've also automated the production and their product quality is right up there. So number one, they're an integrated manufacturer. What that means is they make the polysilicon, then they make the wafer, they make the cell, and they used to sell them all to the major players, but now they actually decide to go into the production of modules as well. So you have a full quality control. You can also create cost savings because you're fully responsible for the product. So there's only one player, fully integrated, number one advantage. Number two, they are world-leading efficiency.
The Aiko is in the high 24%, and they're now transferring that across into the panel, where the panel is 24.1% with the 480, and even soon 485s are coming. That means for the same roof size, you can actually get so much more bang for buck. I worked out it's 80,000 Ks extra driven with an EV on a 10 kilowatt system. So higher efficiency, higher wattage, more power, more money in your pocket.
Number three, back contact. That is the technology that is surpassing heterojunction and TOPCon when it comes to efficiency where we can go. Number four, it is fully automated robotic production, producing cells for nearly 150 million panels annually for all the players around the world, and now making special cells for their own panels. So they know how to manufacture, they get consistencies. It's an award-winning design. That full black panel is the best looking panel I have ever seen. It doesn't still have the wire buzz that you try to hide. It is sleek, and I would say that anybody packs that on their home and got a grey or black roof, they will increase their home value. The Intersolar Award is one of the highest awards you can get. This panel, Aiko, won the 2023 Intersolar Award in Germany for innovation, and then they also won the Red Dot Award again for design innovation. Next is the European R&D Excellence. With a dedicated R&D facility in Germany, Aiko demonstrates a strong commitment to product innovation and strict quality controls within the European technological landscape. Very important nowadays, ethical standards. The module and the components, as they are all manufactured from one entity, all inputs can be traced to demonstrate ethical manufacturing. And the module strengths. The design of the cell with all the bus bars below makes the module much more robust and minimizes the risk of micro cracks. The cell itself also has some flexibility which minimizes micro cracks. Then from a sustainability point of view, of course, it has a very good and low annual degradation, which means you get longer lifespan and more output. It is high temperature resilience. It produces more, despite being a black, than many other conventional modules in hot weather. So it has a very, very good temperature coefficient, warranty and quality assurance. It has a credible 25-year product warranty and a 30 years performance warranty from one of the largest cell manufacturers in the world, which has one of the largest financial income streams in solar. Then there's the safety standards. It is fully fireproof, it has done many fire tests, so it has a full protection for safety in the home. The environmental impact is less because if we generate more renewable energy out of the same footprint physically as many other panels, then that means we get more bang for buck, and that means in this case we create more renewable energy out of the same raw materials. So that's a better environmental outcome. And I left the best for last. Recently at Smart Energy, I actually saw the shade tolerance advantage of the Aiko panel. With most normal panels, even the ones with the half-cut cells, if there's a shade coming over the panel, you lose at least 25%, sometimes 50%. depending how the shade falls, and then the whole string can go down. But in the Aiko case, the shade loss is pretty well limited to the cells that are overshadowed. So you now have a game changer when it comes to the output of a solar panel and shade. So I'm quite excited about this panel because it's looking good, high energy density, great warranties, big player, looks $1 million, and now that special shade feature that really blows everything else out of the way and puts everything in the shade. So it's great to be again excited about a great module. Finally, Aiko's full black with all back contact technology is the one that I believe is putting you right up front from the competition with something that your customers deserve.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.